So here we have a high-tech, wireless, Bluetooth capable meat thermometer. It has a 165-foot range. It has a ton of features and a great easy to use app which takes all the stress and guesswork out of cooking your food properly at the proper temperature out of the equation. Now if you only barbecue occasionally, it's hard to judge cooking by just looks and pressing on the food and basically guesstimating. But with this meat thermometer and the app working for you, you could cook at any level, medium rare, well done, and have confidence that you're getting the job done and that you're cooking your food just right. This way there's no wasting food or ruined meals. So the special features of this meat thermometer: it comes with a timer, it's waterproof, has an alarm, it has an app, and it's a fast reading system, basically in real time. It's recommended for use in cooking, in the ovens, and outdoor barbecue and indoor. You get one meat thermometer probe and a charging base. And it's rechargeable and comes with a cord to charge it. So this is totally 100% wire free, and that's perfect for outdoor cooking. Charging base contains a 500 mAh battery, no need to worry about charging problems. It's equipped with Bluetooth version 5.2, ensures stable and reliability connectivity up to 165 feet. Now obviously it has physical obstructions, like let's say you put the cover on your grill down, then you're talking about up to 5 feet of connection. Some ovens cut down the range also, depending on what type of oven you have, but rest assured you don't have to be too far to monitor your cooking. The thermometer has a precise sensor and can monitor internal meat temperature up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And can handle ambient external temperatures up to 527 degrees Fahrenheit. It has an accuracy of plus 1.8 Fahrenheit. It has preset temperature setting and cooking levels for 9 kinds of food that's recommended by the USDA. You could set on high-low temperature range, set the timer to suit your taste. The thermometer will beep once it reaches the precise food temperature. So this is perfect for pro chefs and beginners. You can see all the selections here as I scroll through the menu, and you can see all the temperature ranges and cooking methods and levels that you can achieve and monitor. And this is a no-brainer. Make your barbecuing, your cooking more precise and perfect by picking up one of these thermometers.